Good morning everyone. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 7, moving around. Objective of this lesson is to learn about muscles, bones, straight back and posture. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are bones and muscles in our body. Now students, as we will discuss about muscles, bones and posture in this lesson, we will come to know that there are more than 600 muscles in our body that helps our body to move. There are 206 bones in our body that gives shape and support to body. And to keep our body fit and healthy, a good posture is very important. It helps our body to work well. Now, let's discuss some important terms of this lesson. Like number 1 is bones, hard part in our body. Skeleton, framework of bones. Posture, the way we sit, stand and walk. Muscles, the fleshy bundles of elastic material. Skull, the bones of the head. Backbone, the column of bones which support the back. Ribs, the bones in the chest. Heart, organ that pumps blood to all parts of the body. Joints, a place where two or more bones meet together. Germs, microbes that makes us sick. Skin, the largest sense organ of our body. Now we will discuss some important word meanings of this lesson. Around, on all sides. Knee, a joint. Skin, a sense organ that covers our whole body. Muscles, something in the body that helps us to move. Now dear students, open your science book at page number 39, lesson 7, moving around. Around means on all sides. Let's start reading of this chapter. Touch your cheeks, then touch your knee. What you can feel is your skin. The skin covers your whole body. Now dear students, skin is our sense organ that helps us to feel. And there are 5 sense organs in our body, like nose, it helps us to smell. Ear, it helps us to listen. Tongue, it helps us to taste food. And eyes helps us to see. Now, let's do the activity given here. Firstly, we will touch our cheeks and then we will touch our knee. What we can feel here? Yes, we can feel our skin. It is one of the sense organ of our body that helps us to feel. Now, muscles. Students, muscles are soft part of our body that are covered with skin and are attached to our bones. Put your hand on your upper arm. If you move your lower arm, you can feel something move under your hand. This is a muscle. Muscles lie under your skin. Now, students, let's do this activity. Now, students, this is your lower arm and this is your upper arm. When you move your lower arm, your upper arm expand or contract. These are the muscles of upper arm that expand and contract when you move your lower arm up and down. So students, under your hand you can feel something, and that something is your muscle. Muscles are present in our full body. Muscles help your body to move. Exercise makes your muscles strong. Sports people have very strong muscles. Students, as you know, muscles are soft part of our body. All the movements in our body are controlled by muscles. Sport persons do a lot of exercise daily and they eat protein to make their muscles strong. Some muscles are big, some muscles are small. There are more than 600 muscles in your body. Dear students, all the muscles in our body are not same in size. Some muscles are small, like muscles of our hands and ear. Whereas some muscles are big, like muscles of our chest, muscles of our legs and arms. These muscles are big in size. Some muscles work only when we want them to. Some muscles work all the time. Students, there are some muscles that are under our control. Those muscles are known as voluntary muscles, like muscles of our legs and muscles of our arms. Open page number 40 and let's start reading of this page. The muscles of your heart work all the time to push the blood through the body. You can feel your heartbeat whenever you put your hand on your chest. As students, we are discussing about muscles. Heart muscles work all the time. The heart muscles are not under our control. They work all the time. It beats. It beats 72 times in a minute, and it beats even when we sleep. So students, the muscles of heart work all the time. These muscles are known as involuntary muscles. Now we will discuss some questions of this lesson. How many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How do you get stronger muscles? We get stronger muscles by doing exercise. Which muscles are big in our body? Muscles of our chest and shoulder are big in size. So students, in today's class we have learned about muscles in our body. Read and revise word meanings, cross questions and terms of this lesson. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day. It beats 72 times in a minute, and it beats even when we sleep. So students, the muscles of heart work all the time. These muscles are known as involuntary muscles. Now we will discuss some questions of this lesson. How many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How do you get stronger muscles? We get stronger muscles by doing exercise. Which muscles are big in our body? Muscles of our chest and shoulder are big in size. So students, in today's class we have learned about muscles in our body. Read and revise word meanings, cross questions and terms of this lesson. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.